HENGKO Technology Company Limited, established in 2008, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of high-accuracy temperature and humidity measurement instruments, highly complex sintered porous metal filters and accessories, ultra-high purity and pressure filtration system parts, and food-grade stainless steel air stone diffusers. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Our products include OEM temperature and humidity probe, handheld temperature and humidity data logger, dew point transmitter, sintered porous metal filters, stainless steel air stone diffusers. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We are committed to solving outstanding technical problems like micro-nano high-temperature, high-pressure, high-purity filtration, gas-liquid constant current and current limiting, temperature and humidity measurement in industrial environment to fill product function vacancies in this field. Better solve customers' supply chain problems and help customers improve product competitiveness continuously. HENGKO adheres to the business philosophy customer first and focuses on providing customers with excellent products and helping them maintain a leading competitive advantage. Our products have been exported to Europe, the United States, Russia, Southeast Asia, and other industrial developed economies with high product requirements in this industry. We look forward to forming a stable and extensive strategic partnership with friends from all walks of life and create a better future together.